Today I want to show you a new type of scam that installs malware on your computer by using fake reCAPTCHAs. So how do you encounter this? This is encountered either by visiting a malicious site. So how can we tell if a CAPTCHA is fake? Most of the CAPTCHAs that are fake basically ask you to open PowerShell and paste in a malicious command. Let me show you. You see, you're basically gonna get out this, and it's gonna ask you to press Windows plus R, and it's also gonna auto copy the command for you. So now let's look at what it's actually doing. Windows plus R runs stuff, and the site auto copy is a malicious command that installs malware on your computer. Let's see what that is. Here I'm gonna blur out most of this, but what it's basically doing is opening PowerShell, typing in some stuff, and this is the URL where it downloads the malware from. Let me show you another one. This one is in Spanish and it's asking to see text and the images copied to the clipboard, which I wouldn't recommend allowing to any sites, because you could be copying passwords and stuff and the site can just see them. But just for now I'm gonna allow them, and I'm also gonna translate this to English. And it's asking us to update our PC. Fix there, open the run dialog, and yeah, it's basically the same thing. It's asking us to run a command that installs malware on our computers, and if it somehow doesn't work, there's even a backup command. And here is the human verification. That's basically asking us to open a run and press Windows and R at the same time, which, as we know, yeah, that's not great. That's basically gonna get you hacked. Best to just, if you ever do encounter such a malicious page, it's best to just close it out and move on with your day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. See you in the next one.